Hey y'all, it's Katie and welcome back. We are in my kitchen today because we're going to be going through my single eyeshadow palette collection once again. I did this not too long ago. Go ahead, leave the video linked here if you want to go see it, and I'll also leave it down in my description box. But I did it not too long ago and I tried to organize them in a way that would help me use my single collection more, and it actually is just not working. What else could I say? It wasn't a good system. But in that video, I got a lot of recommendations on how I could organize my singles collection to make it work better. And one of the ones that I kept seeing and I kept kind of agreeing on was to separate and put my singles collection together by color. That way, whenever I wanted to create a palette, or if I wanted to kind of put shadows together to use, I could go like, okay, I need some blue, I need some pink, I need some green, whatever the case is, and I can pull from the different palettes to make the palette that I wanted. And I feel like that's a much better way of going about organizing my collection, because trying to actually like create palettes, and especially doing the duping a fake palette series, they're just all messed up at this point. So they're not in those kind of palettes or color stories anymore. So that's what I want to do today. I want to go through all of these and go ahead and organize them by color. All right, so it's another pre-filmed video, which means I need to pop in here super quick. If you like today's makeup or if you're curious about it, stay tuned. I just finished recording another video for 3 looks 1 palette, so that'll be coming soon, maybe in another day or two. But for today's video, I just wanted to give my Instagram shout out per usual before we get into the rest of the video. And the Instagram shout out for today goes to, her name is Nay, and I know I'm going to butcher her username, but I think it's Nayleech44. Right here, Nay, she's been a long time supporter of me on Instagram, and I really do appreciate it. But yeah, the Instagram shout out for today goes to Nay, so thank you so much for commenting on a recent post of mine. And per usual, if you want a chance to be featured as my Instagram shout out at the beginning of one of my videos, all you have to do is be following me on Instagram, which is LadyKatie92, and comment on my posts as I post them. So yeah, now we can get back to the video. Down here at the bottom, I have these right here. Oof. And I'll go ahead and leave linked all the ones that I can find, these magnetic palettes. I'll leave them linked down below if you want to find any. This is a Z palette. It's just a limited edition, so I can't link to it, but I can link to the actual Z palette. Anyway, these and these, I'm going to kind of keep separate because these are shadows that I'm testing this month, so I'm going to keep them separate so that I can put them back in my everyday makeup drawers after this. But I do want to create a color story to go with these new shadows, and I feel like over here this color story is already pretty much set, but I do want to add more to this, but that'll be at the end. But yeah, I'm gonna leave these in their palettes until the very end, and after I've organized all these, then I'll probably take a couple to add to this and kind of create a palette. If you're curious, these are Terra Moon, this is Shroud, and then these I think are Makeup Geek. Oh, and also Colored Rain. I think one's Makeup Geek, that, and then these are Colored Rain. Yep, Makeup Geek and Colored Rain. So anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and just pull everything out and put them on the counter. I got this little tool in case I need help because I have these little nails, and then I have my coffee. Oh, my coffee. So let's jump into it. Okay, so here is what we have. I'm going to now, like I said, I'm going to leave these separate for right now, but I'm going to try and break it up into color combinations, and I'm sure you can guess just from seeing this which color you think is going to be dominant. So feel free to guess down below, but I feel like it's quite obvious what color I like. Okay, so I think I have it roughly. This is gonna be like very rough, but these are greens. Here's yellow, orange, black. These are kind of like pinkies, blue. Pinkies as well, I guess. They're more pink leaning, my skin tone-ish. I guess that's not really, I'm trying here, y'all, but very pale pinky. Then this is more like yellow pinky pale, if that makes sense. Kind of a warm browns, pinks and reds. Again, warm browns. I guess these all could basically be together. These are kind of like toppers or just like inner corner highlights. They're very like shimmery. We got the glitters back here. I don't think you can really see them. Reds, purples, kind of maroons, mauvish here. I think I already said orange, black. This is like bronzy and browns. And yeah, I think this is what we're gonna do as I'm putting them away. I'm trying to look and see if there's any that I think can like be moved around or swapped. I feel like part of this can go with the oranges and then part of it can go over there. Cause like this is pretty close to these. I think I'll just leave that there maybe. I don't know, these kind of tonal differences where they're like, you know, my skin tone, but they're yellow or pinky leaning. I think I'll just leave it as it is. I'll probably put these together with these and kind of just try to group them that way. So yeah, all the greens, oh my gosh, I don't even know. And I think once I put them in, I'm gonna try to kind of put them together because like this is more of a gray, but it still has the green aspect to it. But anyway, I'll try to like set them side by side. These two I feel like look similar. That way I can easily find them. But yeah, I think this is what we're gonna go with. Now I'm gonna try to put them back into the palettes. Okay, so it stopped recording and I have no idea where it stopped. I totally forgot to keep an eye on that, but here's where we are at. I'm still plugging along, trying to figure out where I want to put things. I think I want to, move these with these. I'm running out of room here. I hate when I don't pay attention when the camera stops. So, sorry. Trying to fit these two amongst these two. I think that'll be the best way to go. I think I might take this in here because it's kind of more bluish than greenish. So let me try that. Oops, yay, I make such messes. This I feel like really needs to go over here though. This is such a like a grungy green neutral palette. This is more of the bright, vibrant. So I guess this could go over here. This is maybe not as grunge. I don't know, it's pretty grunge. You know what, these aren't really. I think these are the, this Anastasia magnetic palette is the strongest magnetic palette I own. Like, it is hard to pick them off. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with that. And then, I mean, honestly, this Karma could probably go, but this I think is more of a, look how dirty my hands are. More of a, yeah, like a blue-green. I don't know, I'll put it here. And this, let me see if I can move stuff around to make it fit. Fudge, me and my nails, how am I this clumsy? Oh well. Yeah, this, I feel like it needs to be in here, so let me see. This can probably go, it's not gonna fit, so I'm gonna put this over here. and then that in there. So there, we got grungy greens and then bright greens. Let's see what else we got. We got pinks and beiges and stuff like that, reds and mauves, orange and yellow, blues, more purpley, purple brown, blackish. I need to find a place for these. And then last up, I think, right? Nope. These are kind of like reds, more reds and browns and blacks, I guess you'd say. And then these are definitely more like bronze and shimmer topper shades and whatnot. See, this is a beautiful like green highlight. It's from M Cosmetics, but it wouldn't fit in there, so I'm gonna have to leave it in there, I think. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just put the glitters in that palette I was just showing y'all. I think I'm out of frame, but I'm gonna put that in here. I think that'll be a good spot for the glitters. I kind of feel like I should put these with these, but I don't know. Let me see if I can fit all this in frame. Move my coffee. Okay, so that's about it. This is a little out of frame here, but this is about all of the shadows grouped together. I like how this looks, and now I'm gonna go ahead and make another palette with this. As I told you guys, this one's pretty much already made. These are all the pastels from Give Me Glow, and then these I feel like go together well. I might throw in, I don't know, maybe a dark brown into the other palette just to have something to do with this red. This red one is actually JD Glow. Everything else is Give Me Glow. But anyway, that one's pretty much already set. So, you know what? I'm gonna take this one. It's Colored Rain. I'm gonna put that in here. And then, like I said, I'm gonna take, I think that's a Morphe one. I don't really want to work with Morphe. Let's go with one of these darker tones in here. I feel like that'll go with these kind of reddish, orangish shades. I'm gonna go, oh, I can't grab it with these nails, or I'm gonna pop my nails off. So let's go with these. Yeah, this Sydney Grace, and then I want a more brown. I feel like that's kind of missing from this. So there, now we have that, and I think that's good. I guess we could get a green brown, but that has a dark green there, so I think a brown and a reddish brown. Of course, I can come back and trade them out if I need to, but you know what? I'm actually gonna swap that. I'm gonna put that back and then take this one, which is Dark Rose from NBA Cosmetics. I gotta clean all these shadows because they're getting so dirty, but yeah, that'll be that one. And then now, let's see here. So these two are neons. These are toppers, which can go with anything, doesn't really need. I'll be using these, you know, for any kind of eye look that I want a topper. So I want greens and kind of bluish tones. I think that'd be pretty. So let me look. Yeah, I think I'm good. I think this is gonna be it. I don't know if this makes a whole lot of sense, but I think it makes sense to me right now. I feel like there's some looks I can see me doing. As I said, these are all toppers. I'll just kind of play with them as I feel it. But yeah, that's gonna be this palette. And then, as I said, this is the other palette. They're both going in my Shop My Stash for July, just in case you're watching this in the future and don't know which month this is. July, I just posted the Shop My Stash, so those are going there. But yeah, this is all of my eyeshadows. That is gonna do it for today's video. I'm so sorry I'm such a bad YouTuber and did not realize when it stopped. I'll have to watch it on the replay to see how badly I did here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me kind of sort through all this and put it in a more color order. I gotta clean all these one day, someday, never day. If you guys wanna see me swatch all of these, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And if I get enough comments, I can definitely sit down and swatch all of my single shadows on my arm, if that would be helpful or beneficial. I'm kind of curious to see, like, especially this palette here. These two green palettes, I feel like I got a lot of similar tones, but anyway, yeah, I won't do that unless you guys really want me to, because that'll be very time consuming with all of the shadows that are in front of me. But yeah, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button on your way out, as it helps me in the whole YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed this and want more content from me, I upload almost every day on my Instagram. It's LadyKatie92 if you want to follow me there. But yeah, with all that said, I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.